Today we're going to learn how to make samosa rolls.
We're going to start off with a clean glass bowl. In this bowl, you'll add your flour. Next, add your salt and give it a little stir.
You're going to want to go ahead and add your water in the center
And mix.
Knead the dough inside of the bowl. You can add flour to it in case it's too sticky. Go ahead and pour your dough out into the countertop and work it through. Once you're finished working the dough, you're going to want to go ahead and roll it into a ball and place it inside of a bowl. Cover with plastic wrap and leave to set for 20 to 30 minutes. While the dough is setting, go ahead and dice your vegetables. At this point, add 4 cups of water to a large pot. Add your vegetables and then mix. Flavor with your favorite seasonings, but I use Goya's adobo seasoning, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, paprika, cumin, garlic salt, and pepper. While we wait for our vegetables to boil, we're going to go ahead and make our samosa wrappers. In order for the dough not to stick, we're going to spread some flour across our countertop and our hands. Knead the dough just a bit more before rolling. Cut the dough in half. And place the other half in some plastic wrap for later. Spreading flour across the dough prevents it from sticking to the rolling pin. Roll the dough until flat.
When it comes to the layering process, we spread some oil and flour across the top to prevent the wrappers from sticking to each other.
Finally, once you have 5 stacked, you're going to roll it together until it looks like one large samosa wrapper. Place the dough in a medium pan over high heat for 10 seconds on each side. Here's the final product of my filling. I added some ground beef, but it's totally optional. Finally, it's time to form your samosa rolls. Peel off one layer of your dough, stuff with your delicious filling. To keep your samosa roll intact, spread some egg wash over the edge before sealing. Fry until golden, which is about 2 minutes on each side, and enjoy.